All right, everyone. So we're here with a 2022 F550, and it's in this beautiful race red color. Now, this is a base LX model with the gray interior, rubber floor mats, and this one has a dump body on it. So let's look in here. Frame's all nice, painted. They installed that nicely. It looks like they spray painted, so that was looking nice. 19.5 tires. Continentals. And look right here, gasoline. You know what that means. This truck has 488 gears, which is pretty crazy. 10-speed transmission. And where is it? Right here. 7.3 gas, which is the Godzilla motor. And this truck, I mean, where is it? Right here. 50,900, which is not a lot for a 550. I mean, it is a base model, but with the bed and everything comes to 64. No dealer markup on this guy. 488 gears. Oh my God, it has everything. Dual battery. Like it's got everything. It's set up probably for plowing too. Yep, has the plow prep package. It's got that stupid air dam, almost got to go for that. But yeah, let me know what you think about this, man. This might be my next ride. You're right.